Ka Ganesh Das Hospital Shillong, haka jingatray lang bat ka Mission Smile Guwahati, haka siyan ka baar kila panlong biang ya ka jing sumat ya ki khanarit bakat shintur batip kum ka cleft lip lane cleft plate bat haka ni ka kenti ki dan hadu san pusangut ki bayo biang ya ka dur bhabriew. Haka ni ka kenti District Early Intervention Center, East Khasi Hills, ringkat bat ka Mission Smile kila panlong ya ka jing jurib nadu kalai pau terik kelalingkot bat la penkut ha kalai terik rempang ar hajar ar pusau. Kania ka jing sumar kahap hapo ka skim Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram RBSK. Habayakran Shakilat Pathai Kubor ka Dr. A. Lingdo Medical Superintendent Ganesh Das Hospital. Kalayat ho ba ka jing temu jong ka program kalong banyarap ya kitu kibriw kibaduna kayo kakod ban sumar klem jing siyo na kabenta ban sumar ya ki kuon jong ki lingba ka skim RBSK. Hakani ka kenti kibalawan ban sya screening kilapoy siya kahinyaw pun riungut bat kibala siya sumar kilong san pusawngut.
Lingba gani RBSK program ko bina ko yan chen akabangin yo ay to kasi sumari kini kilong kikanna ko bina jenduna agit khotna ba kani ko benta ko kani ko program ba dei ba kita ke bina jingkat sentur mo ni ka collect palette ka jingkat ani ka katiga ba shalor juga ti nata ka ba ar ni sotnat bale na marba lingba gani program ke brio joni hamtam ke bon ki longi long sam ki baduna ki yo ban ay yo ka jing sumar ka ba khlumda ka jing si dengan trepen sayo ka jing batay shu kumno nakalian jing kini Mission Smile ka umdan nang kaman siyo nam taga surgery mo nam taga ni jing pod nakalian jing program ro ki yo taga jing sumar ka ki yo ay ka bay kalib ki banya lang but kani ka program anta kani ka sin nili lang ikilong kikanna ke bapha amta na po East Khasi Hills District kini ni ki district ko Southwest ko West Khasi Hills East India ko West India garib hoy but hakani ke jinga trei ko lomba ka jing thumu hi jogane program ko lomba kini ki kilong kikanna budan ka hapren ka jing hanna ni ka jing dona kamtan ko dei kini jing shitom ka jong kimo do kadang kha lekin yo ta ka jing in ka babit ka babiang ki on ka tin pharang mo ka tin no way to achieve the full potential ka jing long khanna ka mo kinyo ka jing mo bit babiang but kalong ka lat ka lintin ta Kmie ki pan natip Kmie ki pa habadon ki kon ko ne ki don ka jing huslai ni habadon ko ngani ka program ka kon ra ek ta ka jing shai ka jing ka chongki ta ka ki yo ek ne ka jing yaram de kani ka ba sen ka ba ar bangila le ek ne ka program ka ba ai ka jing sumar ka ban to ek ne ki khilong khanna ka barang ne jing shitom ha kani ka hospital jumi ha kan stas bangi sultana banagaliang ka hospital ro ni le ka bala bangin ai ka ka support ni ta jing kershan ye kani program ha bangi don I Dr. Kmie belong pediatric surgeon they think don ki complicated cases ka kun je sakto jana last year ro ile shipment talang longi trailer pa Mission Smile bat kini ki mo ki ni nong tre jang sarkar ba ka bahar ka irap ro na kayang hospital bingin ay ki jagat hiya ay kini khilong ki khanna shwak sni shoban pot badla det pot ro ngila identify ya ka won ka bingin bo ikini ki khanna baga bahar padengi IC ki staff menyerap buat lagi ni ki wanyalang ya ki doktor ya ki nurse ya ki anesthetist hindai na kayang jongi ro ya ay lang ta jingkershan lingbar ka bangi ay kini ki staff na ta ka balai ka jingbam ya kini habaki wan haniro long ba undang kam ta jingsil de hakan ga siang ga ba ar na perlo hagan stas kidon ko mahnyo ko saumat ba ki screen ye kini ki khilong khanna la pha ne kini ki district ma phe but ne ni kini ko saumat per la ban le pat tak sam ko saumat la ban pot eke de kita ka phong wa then la le ga ek bagi thu na mar ba kidon kita ga jing pang ga jing shitom ki bam aila hagan ga sin ban le ka ta henre kandang ga jing bote na kalang district kini DIC managers ba kini kare jungi na pok RBSK ba kum jodo na ga yang Mission Smile bangin dang ya ai kata ga agi ga jing bote ha ka bakin sayo pampen onlong ye ga ne ka jing thu bangin ai ka jing sumar
in treating the cleft cases up to 18 years for balance surgery because there is a particular time before which after which there is no improvement of the speech cleft palate surgery which is inside the mouth that surgery actually requires for the speech development so once the child is learned wrong way of speaking and once the cleft is not treated at the right time then it is a very less chance or no chance of improvement of speech. However, we do the palate surgery even at 35 years also we did. Because some of the patients say that we born with a deformity, but we don't want to die with a deformity, sir. Please you repair it. Even if speech is not improved, it doesn't matter. But I don't want to die with a deformity. Because of those kind of requests come from the very poor patients. So we do treat those patients also. However, funding for those patients are not there. And another thing is that for lip, there is no age limit. Even if we treated 78, 80 years old man also with a cleft lip. And in a positive way, when after repair of the lip, the grandfather told me that the grandchildren, they don't want to come to me and say that it is not our grandfather, because his face is completely transformed to a very new look like that. So that means cleft lip can be treated at older age also. But for speech purpose, palate is usually not repaired after 18 years of age. That is as of now.
And as you know, we have a tie-up with the Meghalaya government, with National Health Mission and RBSK, and we have been operating for the patient for cleft lip and palate since 2012-13. So I think we have almost crossed 10 years of these services, and till now we have provided more than 1800 surgeries. So it's a good number of surgeries we have performed ever since we have started our program. And we'd like to I'd like to appreciate all this team of Meghalaya Health Department, inclusive of the field team of respective DICs, then NHN people who has been helping us to finding out the cleft cases. And yeah, there are lots of new cleft cases who've been identified every year, and we are committed to provide their surgeries at free of cost. This surgery is absolutely free of cost. Patient need not have to pay a single rupees or any money for these surgeries. And there is two options, patient can come to this kind of camps. We have been organizing at least one camp in a year, and we are planning to have more camps in the coming years, maybe 2 camps or 3 camps in a year. And the patient can also go to our Guwahati center. We have a permanent cleft care center here in Guwahati, where we are regularly doing all these surgeries. And already many patients went to Guwahati to get these surgeries. They are most welcome to go to Guwahati for their surgeries. But I am always emphasized to come to patient to this kind of camp, so that this is in their doorsteps, so need not have to travel to any other state or Guwahati. So we are trying our best to come here to provide their surgeries, and probably our goal is to provide cleft surgery each and every children who born with these deformities. And my appeal through all the media houses is, if there is any cleft patients who been non-operated or not get information for some reasons, they are actually most welcome to come to get their surgery at free of cost.
Semua ini guna kemudian pada bawah suara sumar asin ki orang dan kam suara sumar nampak di mana dia untuk benar mau hak sengat suara kita semua nampak sebab guti dan zaman itu nak suara hanya kita dapat Islam bertan pasal apa kita orang dan kan semua kemudian kita kena Islam ini kalau kita betul Mishwaba indap shisnam nila sumar shisin de shwaba hapa bidon chi arsenal sumar arsenal pa de tapat ila dab laisnam ni sumar kitabna khliat de mita ki doktor om la bian te ha chumpe changa ro ta kong na so tenat bhai ni jadi te pa chuai kong ni wan sindawai ni pa te pa si umulang de doktor ki batai ke ni badan kala chingira sumar ya khai ni khlum te pa mishan chuai ki ông như là đội đập khá thì sang nó tăng bằng đập khá là số si cái này ở lồng cùng nè mà đi còn khẩn độ tụi mà thì cái dokter ông itu số si dan kalat baniran dan kalat ban semua ban thì din tu lepas siang là sim doi dokter là batai là batai dokter nhiều cái đội sĩ jenis thì chuai thì là yarap cái ni hak semua buat ini kita làm là sumar tanya sumar sumpenan kong ngoi ulai ma Deki dan kila jingira bin sumar kena kupi asam tenat ketarum di bedung Syuai nak keren dah yang iban Kmie tu awak nong ni kipnar ong bay tu mah lagi ong bay nong keren keren teh mentai lah ong bay lah kenu keren lah baik asyai betul.
Ông bệnh nông công đã khá gà bộ em mà mình khá gà sẽ chạy xuống má đó yoga kami ni terus nyap sih ada ni teh doktor hino sih bukan ông yang lai tah di iya sih hadir yang mana sih teh yuk jingirak ni teh lai register kah teh telang bani teh di bor bagat ya kong jeni ngah hite nang por teh tep tiba por hadu ni pintam hadu anis ni ba pat sumar kan kon dengan civil orang itu man senyap kmen la ijo i por wato yo akam kebuam ni man yo ikam open sumar makna ikon ni ma ante se yo jing chem yo ngai jing yo ngai yo te miat ni tadi ni kon se te yo bon la ka yo te do miat ni